Hello sir, good day. My name is Jan S.P. Pakot from BSMT 3rd year Campus, first 20. So for in this presentation, I'm going to discuss through a video about the topic in this week 15. So we have dangers of over-reliance of weekdays. So basically, this will be our last topic of this week. So we have three factors on the dangers of over-reliance of weekdays. So what are the dangers of over-reliance of weekdays? So I have give three examples that lead to possible dangers on over-reliance of weekdays. So first, we have over-reliance of weekdays can lead to possible grounding. Why? By ignoring visual observations such as sightings of landmarks. So ignoring in visual observations can lead to possible grounding. So if we only rely on weekdays monitor without monitoring visual observation, this can lead to possible grounding. Next is over-reliance of weekdays can lead to misinterpretation of the maritime environment. Why? By having outdated or incorrect chart data. This can result in navigation errors such as grounding or collision, and especially in areas with dynamic conditions or frequent updates. So there are possible dangers can lead to grounding by having outdated or incorrect chart data. So if we rely on weekdays without observing that our chart is outdated or incorrect chart data, this can lead to misinformation and misinterpretation of data, and this can lead to possible grounding. And lastly, we have system failures and malfunctions. So these systems are prone to technical issues, which can lead to hardware failures or software glitches. So by that, in case of system failure, the vessel may be left without critical navigational information, and increasing the risk of accidents. So munigingon nga, if we rely on weekdays and in case of technical issues, we cannot use weekdays. So by that, we have to prove that we only not rely on weekdays. There are other external equipments that we can use without relying on weekdays, such as radars. We can use radar to have a navigational that aids to navigational without using weekdays. So over reliance of weekdays, we have to know, we have to aware that over reliance of weekdays may lead to technical issues, because weekdays is prone to technical issues. So by that, it can lead in increasing the risk of accidents or collisions or other risks of dangers. So that will be all the explanation on the dangers of over reliance of weekdays. Thank you, sir, and God bless.